Hello viewers, welcome back to Arshavardhan e-learning. Today I am going to conduct quiz on article. See, articles are very important actually. Now, before I start teaching, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and continue watching. You can subscribe now. Come on, let's get started. First question. Once there was dashboard man. Here the word has started with vowel sound, so it takes han as the answer. Han is the right answer because the word has started with vowel sound. Next, question number 2. I have dash 1 rupee coin. Here the word 1 has started with consonant sound, so the option A is the right answer. A. Next, question number 3. She is dash European. She is dash European. The word European has started with consonant sound. Okay, the option A is the right answer. Next, question number 4. We come to Mysore once dash year. Here also option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer because the word here has started with consonant sound. Next, question number 5. I take dash hour to go to Bangalore. I take an hour actually because H is silent here, right? So the word hour has started with vowel sound. So option B is the right answer. Han is the right answer. I take an hour to go to Bangalore. Question number 6. Which is dash longest superlative degree? Sorry. Which is dash the longest river in India? Here the word longest actually so it is in superlative degree. So option C is the right answer. Before superlative degree, we use the word techida. Okay, the definite article. Next, question number 7. Do you play dash cricket? Do you play dash cricket? The word cricket, it's the name of a game. Name of a game. Before name of game, we don't use any articles. So option D is the right answer. Next, question number 8. Would you like to drink dash coffee? Would you like to drink dash coffee? The word coffee is name of food. Before name of any food, we don't use any article. So option D is the right answer. No article. Question number 9. Dash Karnataka is our state. Here, the word Karnataka is a name of state, proper noun. Before proper noun, we don't use any articles. Then, what is the answer? Answer option D is the right answer. No article. Next, question number 10. Dash UNESCO came into existence in the year 1946. The word UNESCO is abbreviation. Before any abbreviation, we don't use any articles, so it takes option D as right answer. No article. Next, question number 11. Dash English is my favorite subject. English, the word English is the name of subject. So before name of any subjects, we don't use any articles. Then option D is the right answer. Next, question number 12. She forgot to take dash umbrella. Here, the word umbrella has started with vowel sound. So option B is the right answer. Han. She forgot to take an umbrella. Okay, next. Question number 13. Jupiter dash Jupiter is dash largest planet. Actually, before Jupiter, it's a name of planet. Before name of any planets, we don't use any articles. Then option D is the right answer for blank 1. And for blank 2, actually the word largest is a superlative word. Before all the superlative, we use the definite article. Then the answer is C. C is the right answer. Definite article. The next question number 14. Dash Reliance is progressing day by day. Here the word Reliance is the name of a company. Before name of any company, we don't use any articles. Then the option D is the right answer. Next, question number 15. Lecturer goes to dash college today. See, lecturer goes to dash college today. The word college, actually, right, the word college is used here as primary purpose. So before primary, if we use any such word like college, schools, hospital, before primary purpose, institutions or buildings, we don't use any articles. Then option D is the right answer. Next, question number 16. Radhika is going to dash school to admit her children. Now, Radhika, she is a homemaker. She is going to dash school to admit her children. Yeah, there are 4 options. One is A, B, and C, the D, no article. Now, Radhika is going to dash school to admit her children, means she is going to a school for a special purpose. So, it takes a definite article. C is the right answer. Okay, Radhika is going to the school to admit her children. Next, question number 17. Dash United States of America is supporting India strongly. The word United States of America is the name of a country, which has the word specific word states. Okay, if any name of any country has specific words like republic, Emirates, states, and es at the end of the name of any country name, and s also takes definite article. See, the word United States America has states a specific word, so we must use definite article here. So C is the right answer. Now question number 18. USA is attempting to take all the countries under its control. Here the word USA is an abbreviation. Before abbreviation, we don't use any article. Then option D is the right answer. No article. Okay. Next. Question number 19. Dash. Gold is not cheap nowadays. Actually, the word gold. The word gold is name of a metal. Before name of metal, you don't use any article. Then it takes no articles. Option D is the right answer. Next, question number 20. Shreya is reading dash newspaper. Here, Shreya is reading dash newspaper. Your option A is the right answer because, okay, right? See, newspaper is here. It started with consonant sound. Next, question number 21. Raju is reading dash Deccan Herald newspaper now. Here, Deccan Herald, name of a newspaper. Before any name of newspaper, we use definite article. The answer is D. Sorry, the answer is C. Definite article is the right answer. Okay, Raju is reading the Deccan Herald newspaper. She is a dash most beautiful girl. Here the word most is in superlative degree. So before superlative degree we use definite article. Then the option C is the right answer. Next question number 23. John has dash cut on his face. Here John has dash cut on his face. The word cut has started with consonant sound, so it takes the option A. It takes only A. John has a cut on his face. Next, question number 24. Sangoli Rana is dash honest man. Dash honest man. Okay, dash honest man. Right, Sangoli Rana is an honest man. You have to write here because honest it's adjective. Okay, not super. It is not a superlative degree. Okay, yeah, now option B is the right answer. Next, question number 25. I am taking dash grammar quiz. Here I am taking the word grammar started with consonant sound, so it takes option A is the right answer. Next, question number 26. I took MRI. I took dash MRI. Here the word ham has started with vowel sound. Vowel sound hem. So option B is the right answer. I took an MRI. Next, question number 27. The party was so noisy that she asked them to turn dash music down. Here, here option C is the right answer because the party was so noisy that she asked them to turn the music down. Right? She is ordering here before any order, or actually the sentence is in order. If any sentence is in request also we use, if any sentence is in question form also we use definite article. Next, question number 28. Would you mind closing dash door? Here also it's a request, the sentence is in request form, so it takes definite article C. My office is on dash fifth floor. The word fifth, actually it's in ordinal number. Before every ordinal number we use the word the. Okay, right? Next, question number 30, could you take dash books you borrowed from library? Here also the word started actually, right? It's a request, actually request form. Actually it started with model auxiliary. So you must use the word definite article. C is the right answer. Next, question number 31. Rama has a car. Okay, so that's a one sentence. Same word, dash car color is red. Here at the beginning we have used here, but the same word has been repeated the second time. So when you're using second time the same word, before the word you must use the word definite article, the. Next, question number 32. What is dash capital city of Australia? Is it Sydney or Canberra? Here, while questioning also, see that we must use definite article here, right? The, because you must use here definite article. You see, what is the capital city of Australia? So while questioning we must use definite article. Okay, right. Next, my mother saw dash new dress in dash store. She decided to buy dash dress. Here my mother saw a new dress. Actually must write here a new dress. A new dress in a store. We don't know. It's not a specific store. We don't know. A new dress, just it is in a store. She decided to buy dash dress. Okay, that the word dress is repeated here as a second time. When you're using second time, you must use the word the. Okay, right? The dress means that it is in particular form. Which dress that she has seen. Okay. Yeah, next. I drink dash cup of milk, but the dash milk was cold. See, I drink a cup, actually, a cup of milk. The word cup has started with consonant sound. And here the word milk has been repeated here also second time. So you must use here the, right? See, I drank a cup of milk, but the milk was cold. Actually here the is already there here. The word the is already here, right? So it is D is the right answer for second blank. For first blank you must use A. Okay. Next, question number 35. Dash Amazon rainforest is located in South America. Actually, before name of any forest, we must use a definite article. So it takes option C, definite article. Next question number 36. That is dash guy I told you about last week. Here option C is the right answer because this sentence is giving the detail of the boy. Okay, this is the guy I told you about last week. Next, why person A says, why are you so upset? B, I am not upset. You are the one who is upset. Here also you must use definite article. C is the right answer because, right? See, the one, you are the one who is upset. This sentence gives the details of the person who is that. Okay, who is the person who is upset. Okay, next. Question number 38. Person A, do you like cats and dogs? Person B, I like them both, but I think I like dash cats more than dash dogs. Actually, both blanks never carry any articles. Never take any articles because cats cats are common noun, dogs are also common noun. So you do before common nouns we don't use any articles. Next question number, that's so okay. Question number 39. Is that dash 8 or dash B? I cannot read it. Here is that an 8. Is that an 8? Actually the 8, the word started with vowel sound. Here B started with consonant sound, right? B. So a B, right? Next option for first blank, option B is the right answer. For second blank, option A is the right answer. Okay, next question number 40. That's the last question. Question number 40. What is dash longest river in the world? Is it the Amazon or the Nile? I am terrible at dash geography. See, the first blank takes definite article because before superlative degree we use definite article. The word longest is in superlative degree. And even the okay, I'm terrible at dash geography. Geography is a subject, right? Before any subject we don't use any article. So option D is the right answer for second blank. Now it's over. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos and leave comments. In my description box I'm going to get you WhatsApp link. If you want to comment, if you want to leave any comments, you can comment. Okay, thanks for watching.